Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to sign up for iOS 18. As of September 2024, iOS 18 is the latest version available for iPhone. If you have an eligible iPhone model, it should automatically prompt you to update when the software becomes available. To manually sign up or check for updates, go ahead and tap Open Your Settings app from your home screen. From the Settings interface, scroll down and tap on General. Under General, look for the Software Update button and tap on it. Now, if the iOS 18 beta version is available, you will be able to see it on the page. Tap on the Update Now button to immediately update to the latest version, or if you want to schedule an update, tap on Update Tonight and wait for your update to complete. After you are done with the updates, you can now enjoy the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Note that the eligibility of iOS 18 depends on your iPhone model. Older models might not be supported, so you can find the list of compatible devices on Apple's website to check if your iPhone device is eligible for this update. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.